Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you my adventure going to Discovery Bay. So at this moment I'm here in Pierre here in Hong Kong, and I am going to Pier 3 to get the ferry going to Discovery Bay. So as you can see guys, the views over there, it's a good weather today actually. So here's a Sun Ferry, and this ferry, I don't know what ferry is this. This number 6 going to somewhere. Where is this going to? Lantau. Yeah, if you go to Lantau guys, go to Pier 6. Okay, so the next here is Pier 5. Okay, Sin Ming Hu. It's a big ferry. Look at that guys, it's a big ferry. You can see the people, they are dropping here. This is unloading area. They came from this ferry. Wow, it's a big ferry. So this is pier number 5. Pier number 5. Welcome to Sun Ferry. Oh, Shongshao. Okay, so if you want to take a ferry going to Shongshao, you come here at ferry. Pier 5. Pier 5. So the next pier is Pier 4. This is walking area. So I can see a lot of people here doing jogging, walking and everything. So since it's morning, you can see a lot of people doing exercise, and there's an helicopter over there. This is Pier 4. Yeah, if you want to go to Suk Wuan, you just come here at Pier 4. You take a ferry here going to Suk Wuan. So the next is going to Discovery Bay. If you guys want to go to Discovery Bay, you come here in Pier 3. You gotta take a ferry here going to Discovery Bay. So this time no ferry outside. Oh my god, so we need to wait. Okay, all right. So let's get inside guys. Oh. This is the waiting area guys. So we're going to sit here for a while and wait for a moment. So sa ngayon guys, andito ako sa waiting area. Wala pa yung ferry. Ayan, iikot ko muna kayo dito sa loob ng waiting area. I will gonna show you the situation of the ocean. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are here in Discovery Bay. So it's lunchtime guys, and we are here in DB Plaza actually. So there's a stool here with umbrellas. Here we are guys with my friends.
Ito.
Pakbe.
Takbe.
We have pakbe, and we have biko, we have laing, we have pansit, and ampalaya.
With egg.
Yeah.
Amis daw nila yung luto ng
Together with our lovely friends here, sa Sis Benos, Sis Evelyn, Ate Lisa, and the only ano ba yun? The only rose?
Among the rose.
Oh yeah, the only thorn among the rose. No other than Mr.
The husband.
Yeah, so let's eat together guys. Join us. Sige, subo lang ng subo ha. Walang hiya-hiya. We're going to North Discovery Bay. Let's go and explore. Explore the beauty of North Discovery Bay. Saan ito banda?
Dito rin, ano rin to?
Taipak, papuntang Taipak Beach. Oh,
Hello! Ate, follow ko mamaya yung ano mo, yung vlog mo.
okay,
Para
sure.
maano ko.
Walang kakwenta-kwenta yung mga pinaggagawa ko sa channel ko. Ang may kwenta lang doon yung mga followers ko, mga subscribers ko, mga viewers ko and everything. Thank you very much. And of course, ang aking mga super chatters. Thank you.
Ay, ito na yung Taipak Beach kami. Taipak Beach ng Discovery Bay.
Okay, so I will gonna show you guys the Taipak Beach here in Discovery Bay. It's here, over here. Yan ang Taipak Beach guys. So maluwag siya. So maganda yung buhangin oh, walang masyadong, hindi siya mabato. Oo, hindi kasi sa Boracay, white sand naman doon. Ito is
Ano siya, mas off yung ano niya.
oo. Pero maganda siya oh. So pwedeng mag-swimming dito guys. Oh, I remember this place. Dito kami nag-jamming noon ni Bobsat OFW Vlog. Shout out Bobsat OFW Vlog. Na-miss ko lang yung area na to. Yan yung mga tour guide namin guys.
Ate! Bigyan mo nga kung bibigyan ako dito. Meron ako. Ate, ate mo kanya lang. Tapos kita ba? Ate! Bigyan mo kami dito.
Ayan, so magandang mag-beach dito. May mga volleyball, ano sila. Meron silang mga volleyball games. So, mostly mga tao dito guys are Western. Bihira lang yung mga Chinese dito sa Discovery Bay. So, yun yung ferry papuntang Central. At mamaya doon kami sasakay. Malapit lang dito sa beach area. Private area. No unauthorized entry.
Bayaga kinto yan.
Hanang ka, bulakbol? Parang JM kumot lang.
Singkot ate. Talaga nga. Kuhaan ang muna.
Hanang kinasingpot diya. Yung kwarta. Padak nga on pa kwarta na. Isang harumar. Ganun lang yun. Of course, alam ko yan. Kasi ako pag may pera ako, strike anywhere.
Hindi naman ako kahit may pera. Wala. Parehas lang din.
Aray ko po.
Mabili lang ang pagkain. Ayos na.
At iba kasi yung feeling na may pera ka na gumagala eh. Di ba?
Hindi ako ano kasi dito.
Siyempre na naman kita.
Kahit po dyan, inak, gumata ng saktak subli dyan, balay ako nagitid ka siya.
Oy, at least meron silang playground dito, oh. ma-enjoy ng mga bata dito kasi may mga playground.
Sabi dito niya, awang totoo na ito.
Oh, ganda ng swim, oh. Ala, jog. Ng mga bata.
Dito kay pangsaka lang ata na ang pagbibitan si kami. Kaya na. Kana ako. Mabuting dito. Sa dito sa dapat.
Agdigdigos da rin. Ako, hindi may kami tikat. Ano mo, action siya. Pero parang nakakatakot yung bye-bye. Asla kayo matlang aga.
Kasi puro mga pine tree.
Ah.
Nagtitip akyatan dito yung kasi.
Ayan, ito yung Little Baguio, guys, here in Discovery Bay.
Apay tapos natin ko
So,
Nagtitip ko na ng agdan? Dati natin ko
ayan, oh. So, as you can see, maraming pine trees dito, kaya pinangalanganan nilang Little Baguio. So, actually, pag tignan mo siya, guys, para siyang sa Camp John Hay. Ayan.
Hanggang doon, diretso yan. Pero dito tayo dadaan.
Actually, yung Baguio City is kaya nila pinangalanan na City of Pines.
Kasi maraming pine tree.
Oo.
Dati na sa Libe, pero ngayon lang nakapunta dito. Magiging vlogger.
Ayan, aakitin namin ito.
Nag-church ba sa